As you can see, there's multiple styles of 240 volt outlets. In today's video, I'm going to go over several different adapters you may find yourself needing when plugging in your Multimatic 215 or 211. If you're like me and you don't quite have the money for a gas-powered generator, you'll find yourself needing to use this power adapter all the time and being creative with adjusting to that. Here's the inside. So I got two, or actually three adapters. This is the one we're going to use. This one is the 1030 to the L630, then L630 male to the NEMA 650R. But those two I would have to use together. This one skips a step. It goes from the 1030 straight to the 650R, and this is what you absolutely need